Alright guys, what's up today? In today's video I'm gonna show you how to fly. I'm sorry that I cut the video, but today I'm gonna show you how to fly in Chicken Gun. So what you wanna do is go to Chicken Gun. Alright guys, we're in Chicken Gun. Okay, so once you tell apps, okay, I might have to cut the video, but you'll see me. So just wait for a second. So you see, shallow app. Alright. You know, capture the flag. So let's go to maps. No, don't go to maps, please. Go to capture the flag. Okay. I'm gonna join this game. Bro, it's so... Okay. So I'm gonna show you how to... how to fly and capture the flag. Okay. Sometimes I speak proper English, but I'm gonna show you how to fly. Alright, this place saying I'm free. What did I say? No, I'm here. I look a pro at this game. Look at me, I'm pro. I don't reveal myself as a YouTuber, guys, but alright. So the first thing you wanna do is come over here. Go over here. Go to third person mode. You see me? Alright. Go grab this thing. Look up. Then go here. Press again. Then this might happen. Then you have to go all the way over here. Click this 57. Boom, you're flying. Look, you're literally flying. Wee, I'm flying. Oh my god. Look, I'm literally flying. So if you want to try this, go ahead and try it also. There's one more glitch I want to show you guys. The speed glitch. So the speed glitch is one of the best glitch in Chicken Gun. So what you want to do is look down, go over here, do the same thing, then click emote number 4, like sitting down. Bow, you fast as Sonic. But there's a problem, you have to go first person. So I'm zooming, but not actually, so we have to look. Oh, this is better. So you might glitch if you do this, but let me try this. Yeah, you might fly, but let's do this. Yeah, this is the latest update. Okay, I accidentally did a wrong emote. Okay, I can't actually prove this, but the next time if you wanna win capture the flag, try this. Alright. You can also move backwards. So let me try. Alright, look. Boom, let me zoom real quick. I did the glitch wrong. Let me spin around. Okay. I'm just gonna not click this, but look. Okay. Alright. Boom. It's way easier to play this in capture the flag. So this is how you win, guys. So make sure you like and subscribe. Oh, sorry. But make sure you like and subscribe. Okay? But bye. Bye, everybody. Let me stop recording.